All right, good afternoon, GED and high school diploma students. So today's math lesson is going to be on simplifying. And I did post this video on Google Classroom. I'm sorry, not this video, not yet. I did post the worksheet for simplifying on Google Classroom, and I'm going to do some examples now so that way you can refer back. First example is going to be, say we have 3x squared plus 4x plus 8x squared plus 5 equals. All right, so with the simplifying lesson here, you can only add or subtract like terms. So for example, 3x squared, you want to look to see if you have any other x squared. So we have a 3x squared, we have a 4x, then we have an 8x squared. So that has a similar term. So these two we can add. So we take the 3 plus the 8, that gives us 11x squared. So you keep the ending variable term there. And we can go ahead and cross it out. Now we look at the 4x. If there's no other 4x in the problem, you simply bring it down. So it's going to be plus 4x. Cross it out. You're done with that. And the last part is 5. You simply bring down plus 5. So your answer is going to be 11x squared plus 4x plus 5. And that's our first example of simplifying there. And I want to erase, you know what, it's probably easier. Let me just slide down the page here. Oh, well, we will just erase for now. All right. So let me quickly erase this. And I want to show you a few more simplifying, because the better you get at simplifying as we progress in our math lessons, it will be a lot easier for you in tackling some of these topics. All right, so next one here. Let's say we have 2x, oh, I don't like that, it needs to be darker, 2x squared plus 5x to the third plus 7 plus 4x squared equals. So same rules apply here. You have to look for like terms. So first we look at our first term, 2x squared. Is there any other x squareds up here? Yes, notice there's a 4x squared. So 2x squared plus 4x squared gives us 6x squared. I'm sorry, my pen got lighter on me somehow. I have to make the color darker. Next, we go to our next term, 5x cubed, or 5x to the third. Do you see any other 5x to the third up here? Answer would be no. So you just go ahead and bring down plus 5x to the third, cross it out. Then you look at the next item you have, next number, which is a 7. There's no other numbers up there, so you simply bring down plus 7. So your answer would be 6x squared plus 5x to the third plus 7 for this particular problem. So I hope this lesson helped. This was a quick mini lesson on simplifying. Make sure you combine like terms, adding them, subtracting them, and you know what? Wait a minute. Just had a thought. I want to do one more because I realized that we didn't do any subtracting terms yet. And it's good to do those because those sometimes can be the trickier ones, because you have to change the sign and make sure you do the negative correctly. So let me erase this. Okay, and let's hope that the pen color is going to be dark. So let's say we have 4x squared minus 8x squared plus 3 plus 7 minus 2x to the third. Okay, so first thing we do, let's look at that x squared. And let's look and survey if we have any other x squareds. And you see we do have an 8x squared, but notice we are subtracting. So you're going to subtract 4 minus 8. Now this is where it goes back to that first integer lesson. Whenever a minus follows a number, you change it to addition. And then you change the sign of the following number. In this case, it's a positive 8. So you're going to change it to a negative 8. So now you have 4 plus a negative 8, which is a negative 4x squared. Cross out, cross out. Now you look at your numbers. You have a 3 and you have a 7. You can combine those. Positive 3 plus positive 7 gives you a positive 10. Cross out, you're done with it. Cross out, done with it. And the last term you're left with is a negative 2x to the third. So you could just bring that down. Negative 2x to the third. And this becomes your answer. Negative 4x squared plus 10 minus 2x to the third. So again, I hope this video helped with your simplifying. And there is a worksheet on Google Classroom where you can get more practice on simplifying. All right. Have a good day. Talk to you later.